jollof rice, the most controversial food on earth, right? And the most tasteful food anyone can eat. Hello guys, let me teach you how I made this jollof rice without roasting my pepper and using tomato paste. This is my pepper mixture. I use tomatoes and I use bell pepper, I use chili pepper, I use root, and I use onions. But most people use 70% bell pepper, 10% rodo, 10% tomatoes, onions, and garlic. But because I cook this almost every week, so I always tweak things around, trust me. So this is the banger, the changes of it all. I am going to fry that pepper. Yes, I'm going to fry that pepper in the oil and with all the seasonings I'll be using to cook the rice. Trust me, this way your jollof rice will taste heavenly. Like jollof rice will taste differently. Your jollof rice is going to, oh my god, it's going to go from whatever level you're cooking it, multiply by 100. Trust me. So this is just me frying the pepper. And another trick for me not using tomato paste is because I use pepper that is very red. Yes, that is another trick. I do not like too much oil in my food, so, and because I've fried the pepper with oil, the meat stock I'm using is already oily, so I'm going to use a very little oil in this. And as you can see, the oil content I'm using, very little oil, and that is the mixed herbs that I always use. You are not new to this. If you are new to this, I'm going to share it on this new page as well. So that's just me just stir frying everything. I want it to cook well. That's bay leaf, and I have this tomato at home. This is not tomato paste, this is just normal tomato that I bought in the store, and I just put it. I don't want it to waste, so that's why I'm using it. As you can see, I just fried it to remove the tanginess, because you know I already fried the other tomato, so it's already cooked halfway. And I introduced the pepper in it, and when the pepper has already cooked and you can see the oil on it like this, then introduce the rice into it. Jollof rice doesn't need much water, you just need the steam to cook it. You can see the meat stock is very oily, right? So I just allow that to melt into the rice, so I can know if I need to add another salt or any other seasoning, and I do not really need it. I added little water, hot water, and I just cover it up. I'm cooking on a very low heat. I'm cooking on a 2 because I'm using electric cooker here. As you can see, I'm cooking on a 2, and I stir my jollof rice. So I stir jollof rice very well, because that's the beauty for me. I don't want my jollof rice to get burnt. I'm not the type that really like the smoky part of it, but my jollof rice will have to be rich and tasty. Can you see that red color already? Like, can you see it, guys? Oh my goodness. And I just I stir my rice. You see, it's already getting burnt, but no, that's the little burnt that you will see in this rice. And at this point, I just reduce the heat that I'm cooking it with, and I just cover it up because it has not yet cooked at that point. I introduced butter and I cover it up so that one too can melt and allow it to cook and do everything. If you want to add tomato here, if you want to add onions, that's the point you add it. Can you see that it did not get burnt? Try this recipe out and thank me. Share with your friend, comment, and always come back for more recipes. Till I come your way, enjoy your food. Bye.